Hi everyone, what if I ask you, can you make a paper clip float on water? Today we'll do an experiment related to the same. Vishant, have you ever seen mosquitoes float on water?
Yes.
Do you know how they float?
Because they light.
Right? Okay, so can you take this paper clip? Do you think it is light?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can't float water.
Okay, so can you try? Okay, it doesn't. What if I tell you we can make it float on water? See, like the same paper clip. This paper clip. See, it's floating. Right? You know the reason behind it. The reason is called surface tension. In simple words, water molecules attract each other, and this attraction in water molecules forms a sort of skin on the surface of water, and this helps high density steel paper clip to float on water.